The Fijian Association of Sport and National Olympic Committee is hopeful that the people of Fiji will be able to help send their athletes to the Pacific Games in Port Moresby. A levy fee of 1,625 Fijian dollars is needed for each athlete, and the Fijian Association of Sport believe that with the help of the nation, the Pacific Games target can be met. Lorraine Ma, Chief Executive Officer, said athletes represent Fiji, and when they win, they make the nation proud. In a bid to raise funds for Team Fiji to the Port Moresby Games later this year, the Fijian Association of Sport is selling lottery tickets to the public. The money from the lottery goes back to the sporting organizations who then can use it for their athletes' levy. Corporate entity Abacus Graphics jumped on board with Team Fiji, becoming a champion, providing 3,000 Fijian dollars to the Fijian Association of Sport under the championship program. Winning 33 gold medals and a total of 130 medals at the 2011 Noumea Games, Team Fiji is looking at producing better results and believe they can with the support of the nation, being able to send all the athletes to compete at the respective sports at the Games come July in Port Moresby. Dion Kombang, National MTV Sports.